Don't tell me you're one of those skincare enthusiasts that do not use face toner. No, don't tell me that. Anyways, if you are, you need to go get one now, right now. Hi guys, you're welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you some reasons why you should include a face toner in your skincare routine. Without wasting much of our time, I'm going to be discussing the importance of incorporating a face toner into your skincare routine. Number one is that most face toner contain anti-aging effects that ensures that your face remains ever young. The anti-aging properties is what makes your face look softer, brighter, youthful, and radiant even from the first time you use it, as you can see. Another thing is that it protects your skin from free radicals, antioxidants, and it can help repair sunburn damaged skin. So if you are dealing with sunburn or some kind of burns on your face, you should consider using your face toner. So please do not let anybody tell you that toner is not one of the essentials. It is one of the essentials that you need to incorporate in your skincare routine. And how do you apply it? You put some drop on your hands and you flap it on your skin. And before you do that, make sure that your hand is very clean. And you can also make use of the cotton wool to apply to your face. The most important thing is that it gets absorbed to your face. Do you get it? And you can also make use of the facial cotton pad if you have access to that. The most important thing is that it gets absorbed to your skin. And yes, they are affordable. You can easily get some at any beauty store. You can get them online. Just make sure you are getting the right one that works for your skin, okay? I do not have any recommendation for now, but yeah, you can actually get affordable ones around. So I hope I'm able to convince you that toner is one of the essential skincare that should be added to your skincare routine. And if you have any contribution, addition, or subtraction, you can leave down the comment section below. If you also have questions, I'll be available to answer every one of them in the comment section. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I guess I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.